What it is, guys? Boba the Adventures here. How you guys doing today? I'm here with my friend Minerva. Okay? Guys, tell me, say hi. Today we're coming to Tortas El Rey or Reyes. We are here in Tortas El Rey, 24th Street and McDowell. I've been here before. Well, actually, she's the one who invited me one time, the first time, and it's freaking great too. This is one of the many restaurants great that I recommend you. 24th Street and McDowell. Tortas El Rey. Let's go check it out and show you. Gonna order. I love the torta cubana. So, okay, this is the menu. Check this out. They have a big menu. I believe, I don't know if this is the torta cubana. I really recommend this if you like tortas. They have a big variety, so great taste. This restaurant is Mexico City style. So they got they call quesadillas, like this one. They are huge and great. They got burritos. They got like regular quesadillas, at least for me, because these quesadillas are different than this. These are flour, this is corn. They got chiles. Oh no, this one right here is called pambazo. So great too. I'm going to get right here. It has ham, pork, sirloin. It's not that expensive. I mean, I've been to other places and it's a little bit higher than this, so it's not bad. Plus the place. Check out the place, guys. It's really nice. Alright guys, this just brought me my torta. This is how they serve it. The chips. So freaking good. Look. Oh yeah, baby. They gave me a little chile taco. This one, it has ham, pork, cheese, avocado, mayonnaise, tomato. I don't see the lettuce, but it is good. Oh, and this is what my friend ordered. That's a pambazo made of bread. This is the bread and potato, fresh dried cheese, lettuce with her chile and a little salad. Guys, you need to come here too. Try it. Guys, I'm serious. You need to come and try this. Guys, if you come here with or without lime, it's Can't explain it. OMG, guys. I can't describe it. All I can say is freaking great. And that's about it. You need to come to taste it and see for yourself. She's almost done with that. I thought that she wasn't gonna finish it. All right, guys, we're on the way home. Man, I am full. Really, really, really full. But the food, like I said, is amazing. It's great. I need to rate the restaurants I showed you guys. Which one is the best? But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be hard because I go to those restaurants because I really like the food, because it's great. And to be honest, there's been times where I go to restaurants, they don't have either great food, tasty, and great service. Well, I go more for the taste, the food, how great it is. If they don't have great food, tasty, I am not going back. No matter how hungry I am. I don't. No, no, no. It's a no-no. 24th Street and McDowell. Tortas El Rey. El Rey. Repeat with me. Rey. So thank you guys for watching. Hit like, subscribe. If you're new here, my name is Hector. This is my channel, Bobadilla Adventures. Welcome, and for those you guys subscribe, welcome back. I do adventures. I love sharing recipes, going to restaurants, so you guys try new restaurants too, so you guys can have something to go to and eat, have a great taste. So also I'm eating, yes, I'm eating, but I am losing weight. If you want to know how I'm losing weight without going to the gym or doing a lot of heavy exercise, well, let me know down in the comment. I'll let you know. As always, remember, keep dreaming. Dreams comes true. I guarantee you that. And never forget, don't give up on your goals. Do what you want.